What's up, people? It's Isen back again with another video. So Samsung just concluded the Galaxy Unpacked for 2023, February 1st. So in this Unpacked, they launched the Galaxy S23 series, the S23, S23 Plus, the S23 Ultra. So the S23 series, let's start with the design. The Galaxy S23 series is now unified with the design. So now the S23, the S23 Plus and the S23 Ultra, they have similar design. So the camera design housing now is flush just exactly how the S23 Ultra is looking. So that is a major design change you will see for the S23 and the S23 Plus. So other than that, the S23 Ultra and this is the S22 Ultra, by the way, a very good phone. And the S23 Ultra and the S22 Ultra design wise are like practically the same. The major thing you see actually with the design is that the curvature is now reduced on the S23 Ultra as compared to the S22. So that is the only difference you see with regards to the design. So the design of both of them are practically the same. So also, like, when it comes to the colors, they had launched the black, the lavender, cream, and black, lavender, cream, and green. So what about the displays? The displays are practically similar to the S22 series. So like, if you are really with the S22 series, actually there's no reason for you to just jump to go and upgrade to the S23 series. But if you are into photography, like, I think the biggest factor should be the camera and maybe the processor, which is not that much of an upgrade, but still there's an upgrade with the processor. So in terms of the display, still the same 1750 nits for the S23 Ultra, but then the S23 and the S23 Plus can also go to 1750 nits. Same 120 Hz on all of them, same Full HD Plus display for the S23 and S23 Plus, while Quad HD for the S23 Ultra. So what about the RAM, the storage and stuff like that? Storage, the S23 Ultra has upgraded. Now the S23 Ultra will be starting from 256 storage. Also the S23 Plus, we have 256 storage as well. It's only the normal S23 that will start at 128 GB. So RAM is like 888 for the base storages. It starts at 8, but you can go to 12 for the S23 Plus and S23 Ultra. You can push to 12. As well as storage, the S23 Ultra can get up to 1 terabyte. So like, let's take all those specs out of the way. Let's go straight to the cameras, which is they spent almost like half of the show talking about the cameras. Okay, so actually the cameras are a bit of an upgrade. So they have upgraded the 108 camera on the S22 Ultra. They've upgraded it to 200 megapixel camera, and they'll be talking a lot about this camera, the magic on this camera. Be subscribed to the channel. I will get mine very soon. Then I'll do upgrade. I'll do lots of testing with the 14 Pro Max and all that. So be sure to check out for that later on in the video. So they talked a lot about the 200 megapixel camera, which can shoot 200 megapixel mode, can also shoot 50 megapixel mode as well as 12 megapixel mode. So, but then they're telling us, they said they talked about this pixel binning. With S22 Ultra, you bin like 9 pixels to 1, but with the S23 Ultra now it can bin 16 pixels to 1 to make one big large pixel, and this helps it to take in a lot of light. But also, not only that, now we can shoot 8K at 30 FPS. Finally, the S23 Ultra and previous Samsung phones have been shooting 8K, but it's capped at 24 FPS. And it crops in a lot, which is not very good and ideal when you want to shoot 8K. So it makes people not want to actually shoot the 8K, you understand, and call it like more of like a gimmick. But with the S23 Ultra, they up that. Now you can shoot 8K at 30 FPS, and it can take in more light because of the pixel binning and the camera stuff, from what we saw on the presentation. So I can't wait to test that out. But also, an upgrade to the camera again is the portrait video. When Apple launched the 14 Pro Max, they had pushed cinematic mode to 4K 30 FPS. Now the S23 Ultra can also shoot portrait video at 4K 30 FPS. Not only that, also super steady mode, which was capped at 1080p on the S23 Ultra, can now go to Quad HD. that is it for the this Galaxy S23 series. So let me just talk a little bit about their laptop. Samsung, their laptop situation has always not been the best. They don't always produce like high-end laptop like Apple, to compete. But this year they changed the game with their Book 3 series, which the Book 3 Ultra is the talk of the show. The Book 3 Ultra, which is expensive on its side, but it packs every technology that you would expect on a laptop. It's flat, sleek. It has the latest 13th gen Intel Core processor, Core i9, as well as NVIDIA RTX 40 series graphics. You can go to 4050 or 4070, any one of them, depends on the configuration you want. So display is 3K. The battery can go up to 18 hours. It's a very sleek laptop, and it has all sort of ports, like the HDMI port, USB-A, USB-C, Thunderbolt, like all of them are present. And the trackpad is huge, like very big trackpad compared to their previous laptops. And it has a quad speaker system as opposed to the 2 speaker system that they have in their previous laptop. So they really upped the game with the the Galaxy Book 3 Ultra laptop. But they also launched the Book 3 Pro 360 as well as the normal Book 3 Pro, which come in 14 inches and 16 inches. The Book 3 Pro is just the same as the Book 3 Pro 360, just that the Book 3 Pro 360 can go close like 180 degrees. You can fold it up and use it as a touch screen as well. So the Book 3 Ultra is 16 inch, but the 3 Pro and Pro 360, they come in 14 and 16 inches. So the prices as well, they start from like maybe $1,000 plus to 2,100 for the Ultra variant. Why for the S23 series? The price stayed the same. The S23 is still 800, S23 plus to 1,000, S23 Ultra 1,200. But that's for the US price. The price might vary for other regions. You understand? So that's it for this video. Just wanted to give you guys a quick rundown of the whole stuff that was talked about on the Galaxy Unpacked event of February 1st. So until next time, I'll catch you guys very soon on my review and comparisons that are coming your way. So I'll catch you guys.